This video show about how to build a welding application by collaboration with Positioner using customized GUI plugins, TMcraft. First part is Positioner Toolbar. This is a GUI plugin specifically designed for tuning Positioner, useful for simplified device control through customized GUI. Tuning the rotation angle and velocity of the Positioner, and add the Positioner rotation angle into the table as shown below. Second part is Move Positioner Node. The customized node can define the target rotation angle as a command, and insert these customized node into control flow. Using TMcraft to merge different kinds of machine commands into the same control flow. Let's see the implementation result by TMcraft. TMcraft can simply intricate process by customized GUI plugins, making robot integration easy.